import your DXF or your artwork and just kind of place it on any face. Now we need to place a sketch on any surface that's adjacent to the dome where we want the engraving to be. Next we need to create a new sketch. Go to create, project include, and project to surface is what we want to select. And then in here you can select the face, and then the curves are going to be the sketch that you want to trace or engrave. And just go through and click them like you normally would when you're projecting. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the faces for a second because it's kind of annoying me and it's hard to see what I've selected. And if you turn your body back on, you can see that it projected that sketch onto the dome surface. So now when you use your trace tool, it's going to follow that path and give you a really clean engraving on a dome surface. So go to manufacturer, do a new setup. Pretty basic, just use the solid body that we projected the sketch to. So go to 2D, trace. We're going to use a quarter chamfer mill. Now you want to select your curve selections. And then under passes, you need to change the axial offset to your engraving depth, and that's it. And now you've got a engraving tool path on a dome or uneven surface. We actually changed the engraving depth to 10 thou. Looks perfect.